Good morning. You are watching my uh, series of talks on planet Earth. And today's episode is numbered 10. My subject today is plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is a scientific theory describing the large-scale motion of 7 large plates and the movements of a larger number of smaller plates of the Earth's lithosphere. Since tectonic processes began on Earth between 3 and 3.5 billion years ago. The model builds on the concept of continental drift, an idea developed during the first decades of the 20th century. The geoscientific community accepted plate tectonic theory after seafloor spreading was validated in the late 1950s and the early 1960s. The lithosphere, which is the rigid outermost shell of the planet, which comprises of the crust and upper mantle also, is broken into tectonic plates. The Earth's lithosphere is composed of 7 or 8 major plates, depending on how they are defined, and many minor plates. Where the plates meet, their relative motion determines the type of boundary: convergent, divergent, or transform. Earthquakes, volcanic activity, mountain building, and oceanic trench formation occur along these plate boundaries. They are also known as faults. The relative movement of the plates typically ranges from 0 to 100 mm annually. Tectonic plates are composed of oceanic lithosphere and thicker continental lithosphere, each topped by its own kind of crust. Along convergent boundaries, subduction, or one plate moving under another, carries the lower one down into the mantle. The material lost is roughly balanced by the formation of new oceanic crust along divergent margins by seafloor spreading. In this way, the total surface of the lithosphere remains the same. I got a video animation on this subject, the plate tectonics, brilliantly animated, and I would like to show the video to you. Enjoy.
According to the theory of plate tectonics, the lithosphere is composed of several large plates that float on the asthenosphere, which is the liquid layer in the Earth's mantle. The plates move as a result of convection currents in the Earth's mantle under the lithosphere. Convection is the movement of liquid material that is heated from underneath, rises and cools on top. Hot material has a lower density and rises, while cold material has a higher density and thus sinks. Where hot material flows upwards and outwards, the plates slide past each other or separate. Where cold material sinks to the bottom, it pulls one of the plates down with it.